Sri Singh Sahib Pai Sahib Harbhajan Singh Khalsa Yogi Ji, born in Khatripuri family of Gujranwala, now in Pakistan, on August 26, 1929.
No, I never knew him, but he knew me.
Yogi Ji had his education in a Catholic convent school and played hockey in such a forceful way, which earned him the nickname China Wall. It was his excellence shown in the school time debates and his oratory skills, with which he won the hearts of people in the Western Hemisphere. I have come here to create teachers, not to gain students, was the slogan he gave to the West. 16 years of age, he will become a master of Kundalini Yoga students, and it culminated into conversion of thousands of Americans and other Western people to the fold of Sikhism. He also taught them Punjabi and initiated them to read the holy Sikh scripture Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. This endeavor further followed to the recitation of Kirtan in the Rags music style mentioned in Sri Guru Granth Sahib. He went to Canada in the year 1968 to teach yoga to the students at Toronto University. From there, he travelled to Los Angeles, California, armed with the message of Guru Nanak and being the master of Kundalini Yoga. Yogi Ji gave solace to people who were addicted to drugs and were seeking a new path in their lives. Today, there are over 300 centers worldwide spread over 35 countries. In 1994, 3HO became a member in UNO in a consultative status with the Economical and Social Council and providing education in alternative systems of medicine. Yogi Ji's message was loud and clear. It is your birthright to be healthy, happy and holy. Yogi Ji started International Peace Prayer Day celebrations in New Mexico in 1985. And to this day it is celebrated every year in New Mexico in the month of June. People from all over the world attended this event in large numbers, including government officials from New Mexico and other states. He established many corporations including Golden Temple Foods, Akal Security and Yogi Tea, providing employment to thousands of people. Yogi Ji established Miri Piri Academy, a Sikh boarding school at the birthplace of Guru Hargobind Sahib in Guru Ki Wadali, near Chhiharta in the district of Amritsar, with the sole purpose to train students in their formative years in Sikh lifestyle. His dynamic presence always dominated the gatherings, including events at international gatherings with heads of states. Though he was a fearless and outspoken person, yet he was humble with charming and daunting characteristics. He was awarded Panth Ratan, the highest award of Sikh religion, in 1999 at Takhat Shri Kesgarh Sahib, Anandpur Sahib.
Back to me, he found me when I was lost like never before.
Yogi Ji also visited Takht Shri Hazur Sahib with hundreds of followers from Western Hemispheres.
And he said, God and me and God are one. And he said, if you can't see God at all, you can't see God at all. And he said, peace to all, light to all, love to all.
That one we are angry at or attacking is another human being like us. The blindness which prevails through the anger is that what Piscean age has given us. It cannot going anymore. There is no tolerance of another person, especially when other person is wrong. If other person is by the way wrong, our privilege is to suggestively correct him. That is our spirit, that is our soul. Rather, we multiply it many times, try to damage it verbally. If that is not possible, then we do it physically. If that is not possible, then we make arrangements to conspire. This conspiracy, which all religious people deny, is a fact. I always laugh when they tell me, how many students you get? I say, one. One. Who's that? I say, me. I am the only student of me as a teacher. I don't have any other student. I mean, you don't initiate people? I say, look, this is Kundalini Yoga. In this, if we have to initiate somebody, what the use of collecting fools? If somebody cannot initiate himself and herself, that's a useless thing. We don't deal with that. Everybody has to initiate oneself. Everybody has the right to initiate itself. The path is very clear. And Japji only is the milestone on that path.
I never knew that he knew me. No, I never knew